Here we are, chilling on a Sunday morning. Right, Seth? Chilling on a Sunday morning. Oh, yeah, we're recording. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone's doing well. Boys are almost asleep. We just got done with Mass, and now we get to go hang out with Nana and carve pumpkins. And
I love you.
And here we are.
Show me that.
We're just having a great day, and 67 degrees. It's 12:24. See Joseph, can you wave?
Say happy Sunday, everyone.
And then, we get to go hang out with the Sisters of Life after Nana.
Perfect.
What a great Sunday.
Great day.
Bye.
Ciao.
Cheers. We're just hanging out in Denver, and look at what we came across.
Can you spare some change?
Imagine if we all walked around with payphones instead of cell phones.
Look at the key is sticking out of that one.
Alright, here we go. First run with the iPhone 6 as the exclusive camera. Should be interesting. I approve.